To remove text from a video in CapCut, import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Select the clip and duplicate it, then drag the duplicate onto the track above the original. With the duplicated clip selected, click Mask and choose the rectangle mask. Find a clean area in your video where the background matches the area behind the text. Resize and position the mask over that clean background. You can adjust feather for softer edges if needed. Then go to the video basic, drag this masked area directly over the text to cover it.